We're halfway through this 30-day video series that I'm doing. And actually, 17th day na today. So, lang pas halfway mark na tayo. Good job, self. Kasi, ayun, wala pa akong na-miss na day. Though there are days na parang simple lang yung mga sinishare ko. Pero, ayun, nakapag-share pa rin. It's better na meron than wala, right? Anyway, yung share ko is minsan we need to slow down in order to gain momentum. Na minsan, just like this panali ng hair, you know, we need to slowly pull back so that we can be launched and, you know, accelerate. Kasi kapag hindi tayo nag-slow down, may chance na mag-overheat, magkaroon ng malfunction, masyadong ma-pressure, mag-breakdown, ma-burn out. And ayun. So kanina medyo nag-slow down ako. Ang dami kong kailangan tapusin. Tapos ang dami nag-i-email na clients, nagme-message. Pero ang ginawa ko, I took a nap. And that nap, parang ano lang nga yun, 10 minutes, 20 minutes lang. That nap helped me focus instead na parang nagtatry ako mag-multitask. That nap helped me handle things, you know, one at a time. And medyo marami akong na-accomplish. Hindi ko pa tapos lahat, pero marami akong na-accomplish. So, ayun, we're also approaching the halfway mark of the year. Baka nape-pressure ka na feeling mo you're delayed or you're behind. Or, you know, baka you have too much pressure. You're putting too much pressure on yourself. So this is your invitation to, you know, just slow down for a bit. Recharge, refuel, reflect, so that you can keep moving forward.